Hello guys, today we'll learn rounding. So here are the rules. You just need to remember the rules that if it's 5 or greater, add one more to the previous digit, and if it's less than 5, leave it for sure. So here we have a question which is 0.526173. We need to round it to 5 decimal places, then 4 decimal places, and then to 3 decimal places. So if you see these type of questions, you should always start with 5 decimal places. So let's count how many digits after decimal we have in this question. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have total 6 digit in this question given after decimal, and they are asking us to round it to 5 decimal place. It means we need to cross this 3. Now when we are crossing this 3, because 3 is less than 5, which means there is no change, so it remains same. So we'll get the same thing, which is 0.52617, no change. And now if you count the digits after decimal, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 5 decimal place answer. Next step is to find 4 decimal place answer. To get that, we have to get rid of this 7. Now 7 is more than 5, and that's why we need to add 1 to the previous digit. So the previous digit is 1, and we'll add 1 to it. That will make it 2. So we'll not change anything to 0.526, and that's why that is still red colored. But this 1 has been changed to 2, and that's why 1 plus 1 will become 2. Now if you count the digits after decimal, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this answer is 4 decimal place. So we have figured out 5 decimal place answer, 4 decimal place answer. Now we are going for 3 decimal place answer. So we need to get rid of this 2 because 2 is less than 5 and it will not change anything. So our answer will be 0.526. Now after decimal we have 3 digits. That's why this answer is 3 decimal place. So hope you understand step by step how to cancel the digit and when to add carry and when to leave it as it is. Please like and subscribe my video, and I'll see you in the next lesson.